Let's talk about the voucher code. When you click the voucher code, it will take you to a simplified way of generating a voucher code. Generating a voucher code is now easier with ShareWiFi. It's like this. Type the amount you want,
The number of voucher codes you want to generate,
and the email address where it will be sent. Press send to email and voila! Immediately check the email you used to see the voucher codes you generated. Look for the email from ShareWiFi, no reply with the title Recharge Card.
and here are all the voucher codes you generated. Never show this to any troublemakers. You can print or have them printed to distribute to those who want to avail of the code. When you tap the voucher code list, you will see the voucher codes you generated and their status, as well as the number of times they have been used.
And you can also delete it if necessary. That's how easy ShareWiFi makes managing your voucher code. Now that you know a lot about our product, you should buy it.